Okay, y'all, so I primed with the Milk Makeup's Cloud Glow Primer to make sure this 5-minute makeup routine is nice and glowy. Going into foundation, I'm using Makeup Forever. There's new skin tint, and this is the shade that I'm using. Y'all, this shade is so nice on my skin, and it just gives an extra level of glowiness, and I really like it. I was kind of surprised at the coverage that it gives, but I really, really like it. If you guys have not tried it, please make sure y'all do so because it is so good. Look at that coverage, y'all. Ugh, chef's kiss. The next two steps that I do are concealer and blush. I'm using Danessa Myricks Flex Concealer. Y'all know me and Danessa go together real, real bad. And I'm using a nice blush to kind of brighten up my face. And then I blend out my blush first while my concealer sits. And then I blend out my concealer afterwards for a seamless look. Because I want this look to look nice and glowy, I added a little bit more blush to make sure that it's nice and bright. And I used what was left over on my powder for my under eyes to set it just a little bit. To make it easy, I just used a powder bronzer, and y'all know Juvia's Place is the OG, to kind of give my face a little bit more warmth, bronzy, glowy feel for this 5-minute makeup routine. I love a good lip combo, and this lip liner by Huda Beauty is so creamy, and I love the brown. And I paired it with the Makeup Forever Super Boost in the shade Daring Candy. And this pinky brown lip is perfect for an everyday quick makeup routine. And that is all, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this 5-minute makeup routine for the everyday girly. Y'all let me know in the comments what y'all think, and make sure you like, comment, subscribe so you don't miss any more of my videos. I love y'all. Bye.